Apurva emerged out of the need to address the challenges of credit issue and repair as an NGO. It was a time when Mr. Apurva Bhagat observed creditworthiness as an emerging factor in banking and financial industry and plays a major role in the lending decision. Hence, Mr. Apurva Bhagat has initiated Apurva with a mission to uplift people to live with financial freedom through financial education and debt resolution, and that is how the unique concept of credit repair came in India and now serves as an aim to ensure to build a credit healthy nation. Apurva's goal: to help society and individual to build healthy credit, to help individual financially free, to provide prompt and accurate services to each one by marking presence in the whole India, create credit awareness among society, help to access financial extension to SMEs by being credit healthy, to help banks to curb their NPA issue, to provide financial education to all, to address banking and financial related issues of an individual. Apurva's role: provide credit report and score from bureaus, provide in detail credit analysis, provide rectification service of error appeared in the credit report, credit improvement services, company credit report, credit rank improvement services, our recognition and honors. Our bucket list is full of achievements that Apurva had gained through its impeccable attitude towards its vision to empower Indians, leading to healthy financial lives in the form of awards and appreciations. 2021 GTF Business Excellence Conclave 2021 Award for the Best Unique Business Credit Improved Services, Banking and Finance. The 2021 Global Choice Award for the Most Promising Credit Rectification Service Provider in India. Global Startup Summit and Award 2021 for Excellent Customer Service in Credit Rectification. 2020 GTF World Business Summit 2020 Award for the Best Credit Rectification Service, Banking and Finance. Achievers Icon Award 2020. Entrepreneurial Excellence in Finance and Credit Rectification Services. Pride of Indian Leadership Award 2020 for the Best Credit Rectification Services in India. Pride of Indian Leadership Award 2020 for the Best Credit Bureau Counselor in India. 4th Global Business Award by Unit Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry 2020. Appreciation E-Certificate from Unified Brains of India. 2019 Best Excellence Award 2019 for the Best Credit Expert and Counselors of India. India Excellence Award 2019 for the Best Credit Analyst and Counselor in India. Appreciation from National Organization of Bank Officers BMS Unit. TJSB Sahakari Bank Limited. 2018 Appreciation from ICAI Circle Vadodara for sponsoring WIRC Sub-Regional Conference in 2018. 2017 Memento of Appreciation from MPGB Bank Indore. 2016 Received Maximum Appreciation Certificates from all leading banks to appreciate our credit awareness seminars. 2014 we have taken initiative to conduct credit awareness seminars. Our achievements: 21 years of financial industry experience, 90 plus associated banks, 400 credit educational seminar, 3,000 plus members and associate professional members, 50,000 plus hours of training, 1 lakh satisfied customers, 108 branches in 90 cities of 21 states. Our recent milestones: A launch of book The Credit Report and Score, a handbook to those who want to explore the knowledge related to credit report and score. A launch of magazine Mudra Compass, which is first of its kind magazine emphasis on banking and finance industry in terms of credit rectification and whistleblow on insight of banking and finance industry. Apoorva tries its best to help society in all means and thus have various approaches to do so, and have many plans to provide credit awareness and credit solutions. Apoorva, registered office 309/B Hare Krishna Complex B/H City Gold Cinema, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Helpline number 8000911911. Miss call us at 7574911911. Our mail ID is credithelp@apoorva.co.in. You can visit our website www.apoorva.co.in for more info. Associate Partner Network, 21 state, 90 cities, 108 branches.